Right now, AI influencer videos are taking over YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok like never before. Creators are pumping out these hyper-realistic characters and pulling in thousands of dollars every single month. Some even more. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create these trending AI influencer videos using Higgsfield AI, from basic characters to wild fantasy hybrids. Then I'll show you how to turn them into a real income stream through their official creator program. This method is perfect for beginners, requires no filming equipment, and the results look insanely professional. Let me prove it. Here are some real examples blowing up right now.
She'd be like, "Why didn't you call me back?" And I'd be like, "Why are you so obsessed with me?"
Bitch, get out my head. Milkshake brings all the boys to the farm, and they're like, "It's better than yours." Damn right, it's better than yours.
Welcome back to ManuAGI tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We drop new tutorials every week on the best ways to create content and make money with AI. Alright, let's jump straight into the tool. Head to higgsfield.ai. I've put the direct link in the description below. When you land on the homepage, you'll see a clean, dark interface with all the main tools listed across the top. Explore, image, video, edit, character, in-paint, cinema studio, motion control, AI influencer free, and more. To get started, sign up quickly. Click one of the options like Continue with Google. It's instant and secure. Once you're logged in, go straight to the top navigation and click AI Influencer Free. This opens the AI Influencer Studio, your main workspace for building characters. On the left sidebar, you'll see a Create New button and thumbnails of any characters you've already made, like Skylar, Paris, or Dorian. The center panel shows a placeholder that says your AI influencer lives here. Design and build your AI influencer from scratch. On the right side, you have two main modes, Builder and Prompt. Let's start with something simple to show how easy this is. Switch to Builder mode. Here you get visual sliders and presets. Choose ethnicity/origin base. Options like African, Asian, European, Indian, Middle Eastern, mixed. Pick gender, female, male, or others. Then fine-tune skin color with a color picker. I color from presets like brown, blue, amber, red, gray, even multicolored. You can add skin conditions like vitiligo, freckles, birthmarks, scars, pigmentation, or wrinkles. There's even an age selector, adult, mature, senior. Once you're happy, hit Generate Influencer at the bottom. It processes fast and delivers a stunning 4K vertical portrait with cinematic lighting and ultra-realistic detail. Look at this, the hair flows naturally, facial expressions match perfectly, and the overall quality rivals big-budget VFX. All in under a minute. Now comes the real game changer, adding motion to bring your character to life. From the top navigation, click Motion Control. This is where Higgsfield truly shines compared to other tools. In Motion Control, you'll see a clean interface designed for precision. Start by uploading a reference video, ideally a clear, full body clip between 10 to 15 seconds long, like a simple TikTok dance or pose sequence. The best references have good lighting, steady camera, and visible limbs for accurate transfer. You can use any MP4 from your device or even popular trending clips. Just make sure they're royalty-free for your final posts. Once uploaded, select your previously generated AI influencer character from the library. The tool intelligently analyzes the human motion in the reference, every arm wave, hip sway, head turn, and facial expression, and maps it perfectly onto your custom creation. Adjust any advanced settings if needed, then hit Generate. The processing is lightning fast, and the output is a smooth video up to 30 seconds with flawless body physics, hair dynamics, cloth simulation, and even subtle lip movements if the reference has talking. There are virtually zero artifacts, no unnatural warping, and the lighting from your original portrait stays consistent. Watch this, the hair bounces naturally with gravity. The freckles stay perfectly placed under motion, facial expressions sync frame by frame, and the whole thing looks like it was filmed with a real person. This level of quality used to require expensive 3D software and hours of work. Now it's done in under a minute. Ready to go pro? Let's create something that dominates viral feeds. Back in AI Influencer Studio, switch to the Prompt tab. This mode gives you unlimited creative control. Here's a proven prompt that delivers jaw-dropping results every time. Hit Generate. Notice how the engine perfectly interprets advanced terms like subsurface scattering for realistic light through skin and bioluminescent markings that actually glow subtly. Now take this character to motion control, upload the same dance reference, and generate again. This is pure virality. The bioluminescent patterns pulse naturally with movement. The ears stay rigid yet organic. The hair flows with weight and volume. And the skin maintains that movie-quality sheen even during fast spins. No other tool matches this level of detail in motion. For even more ideas, here are 4 additional examples.
I don't even know which sex is form. It's form. It's
The consistency is unreal. Cinematic 4K resolution, lightning-fast generation, and Hollywood-grade realism no matter how wild your concept. Whether you're making relatable influencers or out-of-this-world creatures, Higgsfield delivers every single time. Here's the best part, you don't just create these for fun. You can actually get paid. Open a new tab and go to higgsfield.ai/earn, link in the description. This is the official Higgsfield Earn Creator Program. The page shows total earnings across all users, a massive number, and explains exactly how it works. You create your AI influencer videos, post them on your own YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any social channel, and submit the links here to get rewarded based on real performance. The process is only 3 steps. Connect your social media account and verify ownership. Instant. No waiting. Post your video normally to your feed or channel. Paste the public link into your Higgsfield Earn dashboard. The system automatically tracks views and engagement. You earn in tiers. Base payment for every approved video, plus 24-hour bonus for quick traction, and 7-day bonus for sustained performance. There's also growth income. The longer your video keeps getting views, the more automatic bonuses you unlock as it hits new milestones. On top of that, they run regular campaigns with the highest payouts. Just pick a trending campaign, download the provided assets, create your version with your AI influencer, upload, and collect the capped reward. Top earners are listed right on the page. Real creators turning consistent posting into serious monthly income. The beauty is you control everything. Build unique characters that stand out, post regularly, join campaigns when they drop, and let the tracking system handle payouts. It's one of the most straightforward ways to monetize AI content today. All the links you need are in the description. Higgsfield.ai for the platform and Higgsfield.ai/earn for the creator program. Sign up to access the platform, get started with a paid plan, and begin creating your own AI influencers today. The quality and earning potential here are unmatched. If this tutorial helped you, drop a like, comment which character you're going to create first, and subscribe for more step-by-step AI money-making guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.